Hi Elasticsearch fans! At this section we are going to start our work with building recommended system for our house cleaning marketplace. So as you remember, from one side we have customer that want to order service for cleaning some object, and from another side we have some companies and private persons that are providing according cleaning services. So let's start with our mapping. So we are going to create house clean executors index, and it will consist with next objects. First of all, we have executor by itself, so we have some ID, some name of executor. Then we have some flag is blocked. That means that either that executor can provide some work at our service or not, or maybe he's blocked by administrator for some reasons. Then we have some rating of current executor. Then we can, for example, calculate some positive opinion that he got within some quarter. We also can register the message count. For example, if we will have some system of communication between executors and customers. Then we can calculate all his executor orders. Probably we also would be able to get some office location during registration. For example, executor can provide us the place of living or the place of his office. Then we can get some services. I will show it in a moment. And then we can, for example, register the number of performed work within some categories. All would be much more clear in a moment when I will show you real examples of such executors. Then we have some child documents. It would be orders. For sure, it is good to make parent-child relationships in that case, as we will have a lot of orders per one executor. And here we can register some order type. Imagine that we, for example, provide some additional categorization between orders, and we can mark it by some type, some category slack equals some office cleaning or house cleaning, or maybe apartment cleaning. Then it would be the date of that order, the price, and in addition we also can register the location of provided work. All the data is rather easily to get, and so let's send our request. Generally I already have it created, so such indexes already exists. Let's add our first executor, and here you can see how it looks like from practice. So we have some cleaning company with rating 4.85, some statistics, then office location. And we know that cleaning WS company provides next services like office cleaning, house cleaning, apartment cleaning, pool cleaning, cutting the grass, and garden cleaning. And then we know that that company performed 5 jobs with office cleaning, 10 in house cleaning, and 1 in apartment cleaning. Let's send our request and provide indexing of that executor. Next, we will add some examples of orders that current executor performed. So here, as an example, that was some office cleaning at that location. So we are adding that child document. Then we are adding another one with house cleaning, according price and location. Let's also add some second executor, and we will call him Ted Stone Cleaning. That is some private person. He has according statistics, some another office location, and he is specialized only in apartment cleaning and cutting the grass and nothing more. And as you can see, apartment is the biggest part of his activity, so he made 20 orders within that category. Let's send and register such executor at our Elasticsearch engine, and we also can add several orders. All would be at apartment section. So here is one of them. Let's send it, and here is the second. Let's send it also. Let's return to our view. So let's connect, let's check that we have our house cleaning executors. So please download a code and export file that would be attached to current lecture. Index all that data, try to get acquainted with that, try to remember how it looks. Generally put in your mind that we have 2 companies. One of them is Cleaning WC company that is mostly specialized in different areas of cleaning. From another side we have another executor, Ted Stone Cleaning, and he's mostly specialized only in apartment cleaning, but he He also provides some cutting the grass in addition. So please do it, get acquainted with all that data, and in the next section we will continue with building our recommendation section. See you in the next lecture.